let's take a look at this lip. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys, I'm feeling myself a little bit with this lip. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sadie B Has You Covered. I am back with another video. As promised, we are going to be doing a mascara versus a mascara, and this is the featured product of the week video. So, there isn't one picked out yet. I had one in mind, but we're gonna see if the other one beats it out. So, let's get into this, but before we do, let's take a look at this lip. Oh my gosh, you guys. This, if you haven't watched my Ulta haul video, this is the NYX vinyl that I snagged, and it is pigmented and gorgeous. Ooh, honey. I'm gonna have to go back and maybe get some more of those and do a swatch and see if they're all as pigmented, because that is good. So let's get into this. I have Urban Decay's Perversion, and I have L'Oreal's, this is actually L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. I've tried this one before. I've never tried Lash Paradise, but I have heard nothing but good things. So we're gonna put these two to the test. My face is beat, but there is no mascara, as you probably can tell. That's one thing, you guys. Like, I have to have mascara. I can have no makeup on. Just give me some gloss and some mascara and I'm good. I'm perfectly fine. So let's get into this and let's see what these are all about. So I'm gonna put Urban Decay, the Perversion, on my left eye, and then Lash Paradise on my right eye. So let's start with Lash Paradise and let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna get a little bit closer for you guys and let's try this out. First, let's look at the brush, actually. So this is the brush. Nice brush. I like a thick brush. All right. Sometimes if you blink into your mascara, it gets them a lot better, and it actually pulls it through the brush a lot easier. So that is one coat of the Voluminous Lash Paradise on this eye. This eye has no mascara, this eye does. So you guys can see the difference. Now, my first impression is I like it. I would have liked for there to have been like a little bit more product on the wand, but you can just dip in and get more. I like the way they're even. They're not clumping. I love the way the bottom lash looks. I'm gonna go in with a second coat now and we're gonna see how that looks. Okay, you guys, this is the second coat, and the second coat really made a big difference, especially between the eye with no mascara and this eye. There's more length, if you can see. There's definitely more length. and definitely more volume. Oh, wow. I am not mad at it. I am not mad at it at all. I've hyped up my Urban Decay Perversion. I hope it lives up to this L'Oreal. I was a little skeptical, but that second coat, which for most people you put on more than one coat of mascara, it definitely did it. I am liking it. So now we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay Perversion on my left eye, and let's see how that looks. Immediately more product on the brush as it comes out. If you saw me talk about this on my last video, I talked about how it has a lot of product and the brush can be a little bit more wetter than other mascaras. This is the brush. It's not curved in the middle like the other brush. Oh, one thing I will note about the Lash Paradise is that it had a good tug to pull out the length of your lashes. And that's what I was talking about also in my last video. The brush makes a big difference. And so that little tug will help lengthen them. So let's do this eye. Yeah, definitely more product. So that is one coat. Lash Paradise, Urban Decay. So far, now we'll say this, with one coat, the Urban Decay looks pretty comparable to the 2 coats of the Lash Paradise. But we're gonna do one more coat of the Urban Decay and see how it compares. So this is 2 coats of L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this is 2 coats of Urban Decay's Perversion. And I see a difference. You guys probably saw me working with this a little bit more because, like I said, the wand is a little bit more wetter with product. There's more product in that tube. Just because of the size, you can tell this one's a lot thicker. And so it causes a little bit more clumping, so you have to keep going in and separating your lashes. First impression, I am thinking that I still like my Perversion better, but this, I am not mad at it at all, you guys. It still looks really, really good. And when it comes to picking the featured product of the week, I would say my Perversion I love, and that's what I originally wanted to recommend, but I really wanted to put it up against his Lash Paradise. And it too is the featured product of the week because of the price value. The Urban Decay Perversion is more than $10, is $10 more than the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And for that value, this is a winner. This is definitely a winner. For $8.99, that's a good lash. You don't have to buy high-end when you have this L'Oreal. Like, it lives up to the hype. Most definitely. You guys, I'm feeling myself a little bit with this lip. Okay. So thank you guys for joining me for this quick little video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you click the bell notification so you know as soon as I upload a video and you can come check it out. Bye, lovelies.